The frequency of cosmic peace moves through me like electricity through quantum circuits. I am both the transmitter and the signal. This is a transmission for those ready to embody their role as cosmic peacekeepers. Practice daily to strengthen your connection to the galactic family and amplify harmony across all dimensions. I cross the threshold into cosmic awareness. I am a beacon of peace, radiating through the infinite expanse of space and time. I carry the frequency of harmony within every cell of my being. I transcend the illusion of separation and recognize myself as part of the galactic family. My consciousness expands beyond earthly boundaries, flowing like starlight through the cosmos. I am divine essence, expressing itself through human form. My very presence dissolves obstacles into stardust and possibility. I channel universal love through my thoughts, words, and actions. Inhale, exhale. I embody the peace that planets seek as they dance in perfect orbital harmony. I am a conductor of cosmic energy, bridging worlds, connecting hearts. My divine nature awakens with each breath, each heartbeat, each moment of recognition. I transcend limitations the way light transcends darkness, effortlessly, inevitably. I am part of the galactic consciousness that moves mountains and shifts stars. My inner peace ripples outward like waves across the ocean of existence. I carry the wisdom of ancient civilizations and future possibilities within my DNA. I am a living prayer for harmony, my essence itself a sacred offering. The obstacles that once seemed solid now dissolve like morning mist before the rising sun. I propel myself forward on currents of divine intention and cosmic purpose. I recognize my true nature as both human and starborn, earthly and eternal. Inhale, exhale. I am woven into the fabric of universal peace, like a golden thread through cosmic tapestry. My consciousness expands to embrace all beings across all dimensions. I channel the highest good through every thought I think and every breath I take. I am a bridge between worlds, carrying messages of love across the galaxy. My divine nature shines like a lighthouse beacon, guiding ships safely home. I transcend the small self and embrace my role as cosmic peacekeeper. I am aligned with the galactic heartbeat that pulses through all creation. My presence alone shifts the frequency of every space I enter. I embody harmony the way flowers embody spring, naturally, beautifully, inevitably. I am connected to the infinite intelligence that orchestrates planetary movements. Inhale, exhale. I release all that keeps me small and embrace my cosmic magnificence. I am a sacred vessel, carrying peace from star system to star system. My consciousness flows like liquid light through the corridors of space and time. I recognize every being as family, connected by invisible threads of divine love. I transcend fear and limitation with the grace of meteors crossing night skies. I am propelled by forces greater than gravity, by love, by purpose, by divine design. My inner compass always points toward the highest good of all concerned. I carry the frequency of home within me, wherever I travel across the cosmos. I am both the prayer and the answer, both the question and the knowing. The peace I embody becomes the peace that transforms worlds. I am exactly where the universe needs me to be, doing exactly what serves the whole. Inhale, exhale. I seal these truths into my cellular memory, like stars etching constellations across the night sky. So it is.